Have you ever wondered what really makes MrBeast the king of viral content? With over 200 million subscribers and millions of views on every video, Jimmy Donaldson, aka MrBeast, has mastered the formula for viral success. His YouTube journey, marked by groundbreaking stunts, outlandish giveaways, and larger-than-life challenges, has captivated audiences across the globe. But while the public sees the flashy projects and eye-popping figures, there's much more behind his rise to internet fame than just giving away cash or creating massive spectacles. In this video, we'll reveal 7 secrets MrBeast won't openly tell you about how he went viral. Secrets that you can use to supercharge your own content creation strategy. 1. The power of generosity and creating emotional connections. MrBeast's viral content often involves large-scale charity projects, jaw-dropping giveaways, and genuine acts of kindness. Whether it's donating millions to plant trees, Team Trees, cleaning up oceans, Team Seas, or giving away entire houses, cars, or islands, his brand is synonymous with generosity. But here's the twist. MrBeast's generosity isn't just about giving things away for the sake of it. It's designed to create an emotional connection with viewers. The emotional aspect of his videos is often what drives people to hit like, share, and comment. He connects with viewers on a deeper level by showcasing heartwarming moments of people's lives being changed. But beyond the sentimental appeal, generosity builds trust. His audience sees him as a genuine person who cares about more than just creating viral content. This approach fosters long-term loyalty, ensuring that viewers return to see what he does next. This emotional engagement is one of the driving forces behind MrBeast's incredible success. The takeaway? Viewers love feeling like they're part of something bigger than themselves. When your content resonates emotionally with your audience, they're more likely to share it, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. 2. Crafting the perfect hook. Ever noticed how every MrBeast video begins with a hook so compelling you can't look away? Whether it's a phrase like, "I spent 50 hours buried alive," or "the last to leave the circle wins $1 million," he ensures that the first few seconds of his videos are enough to capture your attention. This quick attention-grabbing strategy is critical to viral success. Without the hook, viewers wouldn't stick around long enough to see the big reveal. MrBeast's formula for crafting viral hooks is built around curiosity and intrigue. He knows what people will want to see and makes sure that desire is piqued immediately. A great hook sparks curiosity while promising an epic payoff, whether it's a life-changing prize, an outlandish challenge, or something more dramatic. The lesson here? The first few seconds of your video matter the most. If you can grab attention early on and leave viewers eager to see what happens next, you're already well on your way to going viral. 3. Audience-driven content. Knowing what your fans want. MrBeast's success didn't just come from his ideas. He constantly listens to his audience. This constant feedback loop is key to creating content that resonates with his viewers. He takes note of what his audience loves, comments on, and shares, and adjusts his content accordingly. If you dive into his comment sections, you'll see how MrBeast interacts with his fans, taking their suggestions and feedback into account when planning his next viral challenge or giveaway. He uses metrics, surveys, and comments to tailor his next big video. For example, after his "Last to Leave the Circle Wins $500,000" series became a hit, MrBeast created several more videos using the same formula, but with new and exciting twists that kept the audience engaged. Understanding what your audience values, what excites them, and what they want to see more of can drastically improve your content's performance. This approach isn't just for YouTubers like MrBeast. It's for anyone who wants to create videos that resonate and, ultimately, go viral. 4. Scaling up the spectacle. Bigger is always better. One of the major secrets behind MrBeast's viral success is his ability to scale up every challenge, giveaway, or stunt. Whether it's a $1 million prize or recreating a scene from Squid Game on YouTube, he never does anything small. He takes each concept and elevates it to a level of scale and intensity that most other creators can't compete with. The result is videos that are visually striking and jaw-dropping. Each one feels like an event that you can't afford to miss. But this didn't happen overnight. In the early stages of his career, MrBeast reinvested nearly every penny he earned back into his channel to fund even more outrageous ideas. Over time, this reinvestment strategy led to bigger budgets, bigger challenges, and of course, bigger viral moments. MrBeast's philosophy of think bigger and always pushing boundaries is something every creator can learn from. It's not just about throwing a large budget at an idea. It's about creating moments that feel epic, larger than life, and impossible to ignore. 5. The importance of teamwork and collaboration. MrBeast is no lone wolf. His success can be attributed to the team of dedicated creators, editors, and strategists that help him bring his grand ideas to life. While he's the face of the operation, MrBeast knows that collaboration is key to creating high-quality content. His team not only helps execute stunts, but also contributes ideas, manages logistics, and assists with video editing to keep everything flowing smoothly. Moreover, MrBeast's collaborations with other influencers like Mark Rober, PewDiePie, and even YouTube stars like Dream and Ninja help amplify his reach. By teaming up with other well-established creators, he broadens his audience and introduces his content to new fan bases. This collaboration strategy is a powerful tool to go viral, as it helps you tap into the existing fan base of others and create cross-promotional opportunities. The lesson here is that no one achieves viral success alone. Building a team you trust and collaborating with others can skyrocket your reach and make your content even more compelling. 6. Philanthropy as marketing. What if giving back to others could actually increase your brand's visibility and marketability? MrBeast has turned philanthropy into a marketing strategy. Whether it's funding massive charity events, starting initiatives like Team Trees, or giving away cash prizes to random strangers, MrBeast's philanthropic efforts have brought attention to important causes while simultaneously boosting his brand. Not only does this build goodwill, but it helps him connect with audiences who value making a positive impact on the world. Philanthropy, especially when it's incorporated into content, has a viral appeal. It brings people together around a cause, making the content feel like a part of something larger than just entertainment. For other creators, this concept is worth considering. Being part of a meaningful movement can help you reach a wider, more engaged audience. Whether you focus on environmental issues, education, or social justice, content that gives back will resonate with viewers who want to support causes they believe in. 7. Obsession with quality and consistency. Behind the flashy stunts and large-scale giveaways, the most understated secret to MrBeast's viral success is his obsession with quality. Every single one of his videos is meticulously planned, scripted, and edited to perfection. Whether it's working on the lighting, sound design, or the pacing of the video, no detail is overlooked. But more importantly, consistency is key. MrBeast doesn't just produce one viral video and then disappear. He has maintained a steady flow of high-quality content, which keeps his audience coming back for more. For creators who want to replicate MrBeast's success, the takeaway is simple. If you want to build a loyal audience and keep going viral, you must focus on improving your quality and stay consistent. Bonus tip: content is king, but distribution is queen. While this wasn't one of the original 7 secrets, it's important to note that even the best content needs proper distribution. MrBeast has mastered the art of promoting his videos not just on YouTube, but across all platforms. He shares his videos on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, ensuring that he reaches a wider audience. A lot of creators make the mistake of assuming that their content will automatically find an audience. However, in today's crowded digital world, promoting and distributing your content is just as important as creating it. Conclusion: putting it all together. MrBeast didn't achieve viral success by accident. It's the result of years of hard work, experimentation, and a consistent focus on what his audience loves. By creating content that resonates emotionally, thinking big, collaborating, giving back, and obsessing over quality, he's built a legacy that shows no signs of slowing down. But the real lesson here is that anyone can go viral if they understand the secrets behind MrBeast's success and apply them to their own content creation strategy. Whether you're looking to build a YouTube channel, grow a social media presence, or simply get your message out to a wider audience, These 7 secrets can make all